So our main goal for this for this season is, syempre manalo kami one game at a time. Yung Final Four and Championship, nandun naman yung goal namin na yun. So we need to win first, one game at a time. So gawin lang namin yung best for the school, and yun nga, I do hope na continue po kayo na mag-support sa amin.
Ano yung difference under Coach Pido sa last few seasons?
I think mas maganda yung preparation namin for this season. Kasi pumasok sila February. And unknowingly, Coach Pido, alam niyo naman yung ugali niya eh. Ini-instill niya sa amin yung puso, pride, palaban. So lagi niya yung inaano sa amin yan. Kailangan talaga na binibuild niya rin sa amin yung winning culture. So lagi niyang nire-remind kami. Father figure rin kasi siya eh. So masasabi ko, may times na magagalit siya, pero may times na at the same time, motivate niya kami.